Hi, Brooklyn. Are you going to go see Elmo?
Elmo.
Say, hurry up, Liliana.
Hi, Nana.
Let's go see Elmo.
Elmo.
Are you all done? Can you put that in the trash? Here. Put this in the trash. Go on. Go put it in the trash.
Wow.
Go put it in the trash. Hey, no. Go put it in the trash. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't drink the juice.
You're already done with your juice.
Come on.
No more chocolate milk. I love you.
I love you.
See you later.
See you later.
Kisses.